Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Mistermezss kitchen. Today we are making something very special. Honey garlic chicken wings. This recipe is so simple and so delicious, and also is perfect for any gathering like football season and also any family gathering. So if you're new on my channel, go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell, that way you don't miss any of those beautiful recipes. So if you are ready to learn how to make these delicious and easy honey garlic chicken wings, put on your seatbelt and let's step on the gas. Okay, so to start, I'm going to preheat my oven 400 degrees F. And for my honey garlic chicken wing, we're gonna of course need 2 pounds of chicken wings, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of poultry seasoning, 2 teaspoons of olive oil, and 1 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Okay, so to start, I'm going to marinate all my chicken wings. So I have here 2 pounds of chicken wings. In my chicken wing, I'm going to add my 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika. I'm going to add in my 2 teaspoons of olive oil. Yeah, right on it. I'm going to add in my 1 teaspoon poultry seasoning. And I'm going to add in my 1 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper. 1 teaspoon. Okay, so we have our chicken well seasoned. So we're going to give it a mix with our hand. So we're going to mix it up until it's well coated. We're not going to leave any blank chicken. So we're going to make sure it's well coated. Okay, so after our chicken wing is well coated, we're going to set it aside and prep our sheet pan. On our sheet pan, we're going to need the foil. To have an easy clean, we're going to have to use the foil on our sheet pan. There we go. And then we're going to put a rack on it. That way we're going to have some air circulation between the chicken. And now we're going to place our chicken above the rack. We have to space it, that way we're going to have some air circulation between the chicken wings. Just like that. Okay, so I have my chicken wing nicely seasoned, so it's time for them to go to the oven. I preheat my oven 400 degrees, and those guys went to the oven for 40 minutes. But this is the deal. We're gonna bake 20 minutes and then flip them around for another 20 minutes. So let's go. Okay, so we have our chicken wings swimming in the oven. So now it's time to prep our sticky, yicky honey garlic sauce. Let's go. Okay, for our sticky honey garlic sauce, we're gonna use ½ cup of honey. In my case, I'm using some raw honey. So I'm gonna use ½ cup. There we go, ½ cup. So I'm using 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of freshly minced garlic. Add to our pan ½ teaspoon of chili powder. Okay, so after we combine all our ingredients off the stove, now we're gonna bring it to the fire on a medium heat. Yeah, we're gonna bring on a medium heat and let it simmer until it's super sticky. Okay, so we're gonna let it come to a nice simmer, just like this, until it gets a little stickier, and now our sauce will be ready. So this process takes about 5 to 6 minutes to come together. So we're gonna stir it, that way it doesn't stick at the bottom. Make sure our sauce is nicely sticky. Okay, so after 5 minutes, our sticky honey garlic sauce is ready to go. So we're gonna set it aside and wait for our chicken wing to be ready. So after 20 minutes, our chicken wing are not ready yet. They're halfway ready. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna flip it around flip that around. They look so good already and smelling really excellent. I'm gonna give it a nice flip. And then we're gonna season a little more with our freshly ground pepper. We're gonna season a little more because I really like the taste of black pepper. So we're gonna just put it a little more on top and then put it back to the oven for another 20 minutes. So they're going back to the oven for another 20 minutes. Okay, after the second 20 minutes, our chicken wings are all ready. Okay, so after our second 20 minutes, chicken wing ready. So we're gonna place that in our bowl. So now it's time to add our sticky honey garlic sauce right above our chicken. There we go. And with our spatula, we're gonna just give it a mix. We're gonna toss it very nicely. Yeah, this sauce is so sticky, so you have to work with that right away. That way it sticks straight to the wing. Yeah, this is a must try at home, you know. It's very easy. Honey garlic chicken. Very easy and delicious at the same time. Okay, so to garnish our chicken wing, I got here some fresh parsley. I'm gonna chop it up, and this is what we're gonna use as a garnish. So let's chop it up. I like this sprinkle of freshly chopped parsley right above our chicken wing. Okay, so now it's time to plate our chicken wing. This chicken wing is so amazing for appetizer, and also when you're having like a football game. This is something you can do for gathering. If you have your family gather together, you can have this beautiful honey garlic chicken wing to share with your family. Very nice and amazing. We got one more thing to do, is to put the parsley right above it. Sprinkle it right up. Wow, so this is it for our honey garlic chicken wing. Very nice and ready to go. Wow, so our chicken wing is ready, and now it's time to go for the tasting. Wow, this chicken wing tastes so amazing and delicious. You can taste the honey, you can taste the garlic, and also the seasoning put this chicken wing to another level. So I'm going to put the recipe in the description box below for you to give it a try, to share with your family and friends. So we have ended our video. So if you like my video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, that way you don't miss any of my future videos. So if you like it, thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and see you next time for another beautiful video. Peace.